Alright, so I got an M6 here, and then you've got a T40 here. So factory mount location here. This is for the rails. Another one here. 2 more here. Another 2 here. 2 more there. And these are the, again, factory tied on points. That time. What's that? Only it went smooth the first time.
Second time?
Maybe.
Third time?
It depends on the day. Some days are harder than others. Performance is a craft. I have not yet honed it. Start it all by hand first. Strip and ape it out.